It's Bradley with M&M Magical Adventures, the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. Let's show you what Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge at Jambo House, room 3016 looks like. So in the door you go. After you tap in, and then you come in and this is your room. So right off the bat, you've got this nice closet with lots of space, lots of storage. Just a reminder that Animal Kingdom Lodge is a deluxe resort. Look at all the storage. Iron, safe, more storage. And we'll come over here. This is the bathroom. Hey everybody. Hakuna Matata, look at that. Disney's Lion King. Towels, very beautiful sink there, double sinks, lots of storage. Wow, look at the shower. Gorgeous artwork in the stone there. Lots of places for towels and your washcloths. It's beautiful, beautiful resort room. Out here you come, you've got your wet bar, ice bucket, drinks. Over here you've got your Keurig. Again, this is a one-touch K-Cup system. In here you will see you've got all your K-Cups needed. And here you've got your little mini fridge. And then you come to the TV. You've got a nice little table for your wardrobe. Plenty of space to put your clothes away while you're here. A nice little desk with 2 chairs. Beautiful mirror. This is a pool view room. So outside on your patio, this is the view you get of the pool. Gorgeous. And there's the Jambo House. And then over here, you'll see your 2 queen beds. Next to those, they have your plugs, USB and plugins. And it's a lovely room. This is on the main floor too. So as soon as you walk in, you're good to go. And again, you've got all that going on with the USBs on the walls. You've got your night light for nighttime reading. Look how cool. Oh, that's like a Rafiki with Simba. Very cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this view of room 3016 at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge.